Welcome to CommonScentsy. Real reviews for real products. Today, we're going to review the Philips DuraMax floodlight. It's a halogen indoor floodlight that's 65 watts with a BR30 medium base. It only puts out 630 lumens, which is the unit of brightness. So, what that means is right now the light is off. And the reason why this is one of the reasons why you want to use a halogen light, is that when you turn it on, you can see that one, it is bright, but two, it is a soft light. Unlike the LED that is in the corner there, that is super white, but it's super sharp. It actually strains your eyes. So this is the Philips DuraMax Indoor Floodlight. It tends to work pretty good. It doesn't really overheat. For anything that's an overhead light inside your home, a floodlight does a lot better for livability, while a spotlight tends to shine a single spot onto the floor, very much like you're on a stage, but then it's dim everywhere else. So if you're looking for a light that you want in your own home, you generally want a floodlight that is halogen. Generally, people say that you're going to use more electricity, but I find most of the time the electricity is in the delivery fee. So if everyone else uses more electricity, the delivery fee moves up. Therefore, you're personally not saving electricity by using any less. However, that might be different where you live. So that is my review for the Philips Halogen Floodlight DuraMax Long Life 65 watt BR40. This is CommonScentsy, real life, no bullshito. Make sure you tune in tomorrow for my next review.